itong binyag na ito ay hindi manatiling binhi o asin na hindi tumutubo. Kailangan ito ay tutubo at mamunga.
For this child, I have prayed, and you heard my cry. For this baby, I had faith, and you gave new life. In this moment now I pray, and I vow to you this day, I dedicate this baby back to you. I dedicate myself to train and love them like you do. I will do my part. I will put your word into their heart.
Welcome to the Christian world, may babu. Gusto ko lumaki kang may mabuting puso. Gusto ko lahat ng intention mo sa mga tao laging pure, and lahat ng mga tao, you will respect them whatever their status in life.
Welcome to the Christian world, anak. Yan. So, sana ang pinagaw lang namin is magkaroon ka ng takot sa Diyos, and then ma-practice mo yung teaching ng simbahan natin, and ayun, sana lagi kang blessed. At masaya kami na naging Christian ka kahit wala ka pa naman choice ngayon. Kasi kami nag-decide. Yan, sana paglaki mo, tuloy-tuloy mo lang din kung ano yung sinimulan natin.